Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disconnect and unpair your controller from your phone. So on my phone, all I want to do is swipe on down from the top and then locate Bluetooth right here and then hold down on this. I'll open up the Bluetooth menu. Now if I scroll on down under pair devices, I can see my DualSense wireless controller listed right here. And I can also see my Xbox wireless controller. So I have both of these connected. Now go to the little cog icon next to the controller you want to disconnect, select it. Then on the bottom right side of the screen, it says Unpair. Let's select this. Now my DualSense wireless controller is disconnected, and I can do this with other controllers as well. Then if I scroll on down, I might be able to see them under available devices if I want to go ahead and reconnect them very easily in the future. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.